Welcome back to my channel.
Hi guys, how are you doing today? My name is Kidneyjay. The J stands for jerk because my kidneys are a pair of jerks. And this is, you guys, you know it, a pink fairy, 1, 2, 3. Let's destroy our arteries video. So, Pink Fairy came out with a few videos, but you know what? I've been out living life, living my best bean life as I can, and haven't gotten around to it, but I peeped the titles. This first one kills me. Eating low carb all day, making brownies vlog. So if she's making brownies in the same day that she's eating low carb, I don't think she's eating low carb all day. I'm just speculating. But this one, which we're reviewing today, felt like she was talking deep into my soul. Stop talking about my bad eating, / look at this low carb / vlog. So she's talking like a little petulant child, like, stop talking about my bad eating, but here, let me get my low carb. I'll throw you guys a low carb bone. I wonder if she goes to the doctor, goes to the dietitian, does she tell them, stop talking about my bad eating, it's my business? Who knows? I'm not a doctor, but I do know what can happen if you're not following your low carb diet, if you're a type 2 diabetic, which I guarantee Pinky is not, because we see what she eats. She puts it out there. And if she's going to put her bad eating out there, we're going to comment on it. And if she puts her good eating out there, we're going to comment on it. So we're going to give her all the accolades. We're going to muster up some nice, we'll say nice comments about her meal that she puts together today. But then later on, we get some Pink on the sink soliloquy action, and she has some nuggets to say there. Before I get started, don't forget to hit the like button, hit subscribe if you're new. I appreciate all of you guys. As well, I do have memberships. Oh, so if you want to support the channel that way, you can. But let me just bump it back because we got the Pink Fairy motto coming up.
It is what it is, right, you guys?
It is what it is, right, you guys? I don't know what she was talking about, but I've said this before. It is what it is only applies when it's something out of your control. I can guarantee whatever she was talking about was not something out of her control. And it is what it is can be fixed. With maybe a little tweaking, maybe a little hard work.
I think I'm about to make me some chicken, broccoli. I think I am. For lunch. Something. These things I got from Sam's. Oh, I don't like them. They're not very good at all.
Oh, because they do look somewhat healthy, so I guess she doesn't like it.
Oh, they're nuts.
They are, let me just tap it. It was like pepitas, something else, dark chocolate.
Oh, they're nuts.
Yeah, little clusters, and they're keto, so she does not like those. I bet you those cost a pretty penny as well. I don't think those are inexpensive, so hopefully they don't go to waste.
Yeah, this is what I'm doing. I'm going to do some broccoli with some king and chicken breast. And then I'm going to grate up this sharp cheddar cheese and put on that. I'll add seasoning and stuff too. It probably just some Mrs. Dash garlic and herb. That's probably what I'll end up doing. And that's going to be my lunch. It's 12:30, and I haven't ate nothing. I usually use coffee as my breakfast most of the time. Sometimes, and then sometimes I'll eat some eggs. I don't know. It all just depends. Do your own thing.
And sometimes she'll just eat toast, carbs, whatever. It depends if she's type 2 diabetic that day. Okay, comments on this meal. Canned mechanically separated chicken, not for this gal. If I had to do it, I may use canned tuna. Or if I had to use the canned chicken, I'd maybe go with sort of like a chicken salad vibe with some low-fat mayo, some celery, maybe some pickles in there, and do it that way. But this is what she's doing, and it is low carb, right?
And you know what I mean? It's not a recipe. It's kind of something I made up. Here we go. It's kind of something I made up. To eat low carb, I might have a bigger pan. We'll see. I just may have to. I don't know yet. I ain't even got those in there yet, but I'm going to. I got them out drinking, so I know to throw them in there. Put your chicken in here.
Oh no. Guys, am I a poultry snob? Like, I cannot do it. Now, if this is what she can afford and this is what she's doing, that's fine. I would just maybe prep it a totally different way.
Okay, guys, I grabbed the bigger pan. Much, much better. Yes. So now, I'm going to have to clean this one. Oh, well. Big chunk of chicken. Spread it all around.
Chocolate chicken.
This is kind of like a chicken casserole. Got up on my menu. Got a new menu all made out too. All low carb meals, so.
Okay, so she's on her low carb, I'm a diabetic kick, it looks like, because as the Pink Fairy's subtitles there say, she has a low carb menu planned out. So I guess we're going to get a few days of low carb eating.
Yeah. But I was looking for something yummy for lunch, you know what I mean? That low carb. Okay. Then I got some garlic and herb.
Okay. Can I say, Mrs. Dash, that is something that is recommended to renal patients to cut down their sodium. It adds flavor without the added salt. If you don't have like fresh garlic and fresh herbs or herbs, whatever you want to call them, I will say there are other salt substitutes that are big no-nos. One, new salt, N-U-S-A-L-T. It's full of potassium chloride. No bueno. So Mrs. Dash is actually a really good choice. I do wonder if it was recommended to her or she always used it.
Slap on it. Yeah. And a bite for me.
And yes, she did grate all that cheese. So that's another thing. This is all for her lunch? Like, that's a lot of broccoli.
The oven's got another minute or so, but we'll go ahead and get rid of it anyways. While this cooks, we'll get our dishes done. And I'm trying to do some low carb tonight because I know it didn't make the biscuits and gravy lap.
Ma'am, so she's going to have biscuits and gravy tonight. One serving of those biscuits, 22 grams, which I think is per drop biscuit. Now, if she stuck to like that and had like eggs with it, that would be low carb. But can she just eat one serving?
So I'm hoping to make them tonight with some eggs, you know, kind of like a, you know. Now notice, everybody gets mad.
All right, pink on the sink time, and I see we're back to these angles with the no brassiere boobaliciouses going all different directions. But hey, she's gonna question why people don't like her cleaning videos. But let's hear what she says.
They act like I don't do nothing. And then when I do stuff and show the videos that I do stuff in, you know, like my cleaning, they don't watch them as much.
Who would not want to watch this? firsthand, no filter, no witty, glorious KJ commentary, just straight raw dogging, pink on the sink commentary. Hey, I noticed her little dress there has a pocket. This must be where she keeps Tim's balls, because listen, he's enabler, 100%.
So hilarious. Everybody thinks I don't do anything. And then when I do show me they're doing something, they don't watch it. So funny. But oh well. If you don't like it, ain't nothing I can do about it, you know? There ain't nothing I can do about it. If you don't like it, you don't like it. So funny. So funny. They say, oh, you lie. But you sure do watch those lie videos and stuff. I do. They get more views too. When you say I'm lying. I'm just doing my cooking videos. A lot of you do like it, you know. They don't get as many views either, but oh well. I do it for the ones that do like it. Especially when I'm really eating good and if everybody thinks I don't, and I ain't losing no weight. Blah, blah, blah. It makes it even more funnier.
Okay, I have always contended that I don't care about Pink Fairy's weight. I don't care if she's lying about her weight. I will say this. If she was following her low-carb diabetic diet, even 50% of the time, she would be losing a lot more weight, and that's just facts. So that does not add up.
I haven't watched you in a year. It don't look like you've lost an ounce of weight. Oh, cruddy. I have. Maybe not like dropped 100 pounds like you think I should. I am a food addict, so.
Oh, you are a food addict. Was that talked about? Did someone say, listen, Pinky, you have this trouble with food, you're a food addict. Last time it was lonely mac and cheese eating, so now 100% she's a food addict. Great. Is that an is what it is type of situation? Or is it you need to do something about that? You need to get your mind right so the body will follow. Probably not. It's just going to be a crutch. It's just going to be, hey, I'm a food addict, so yeah. I'm just going to destroy my eyes, my extremities, my kidneys. And I'm not saying this to be preachy at all, but I don't know why her doctor has not sat her down with the fasting glucose number she has showed us and said, listen, Pinky, if you keep going how you're going, in the future, your life is going to look completely different. You might not have your eyesight, you might not have your toes, you might not have your feet, you might not have your kidneys, you might not have your life.
I don't drop $50,000 a month or nothing. Sometimes it's £5 a month. Sometimes it's £5 a month, and sometimes it's £10. It just depends. Sometimes it's only £2. It all depends.
It all
yes,
depends.
It guys, look, it's all gone.
Oh.
I'm in for about half an hour at 3:07.
It all depends on what? On you, Pink. You are the keys to your success. Okay, so I'm going to wrap up this video. That was her casserole. Now, she doesn't show herself eating it. I have a feeling she did not like it. I have a feeling this did not satiate. I'm just guessing. But anyways, if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you on the next one. Bye, guys.